Hello and welcome to Tim's BMW repairs and information. Well, I've just got home and I got the brake light warning message on the mid. So how do you tell which one of the three isn't working when you're just on your own? Obviously I could call my wife and get to look at it, but what if you're on your own, got no one to help you? Here's how it's done. What you need is the Sparkplug Spanner. I'll show you what I mean. So there we go. Car's all dirty, I'm afraid, because it's just come back from work. Oh yeah, I've got the cloth, don't forget that. Sparkplug Spanner. There we go. Now what that does is it goes between the brake pedal and a bit of trim under there. So hold on, let me thingy in. Can't quite see what I'm doing. That's in. Ignition on. There we go. Go and have a look. There we go. It's that one. That one's working. That one's working. That one isn't. So side cover off. And it'll be the one down the back there. That's your fella. What's that? What, a 21 watt single filament. Right, I'll go and change that. New bulb. Right, I bet I can't get this in with one hand. I'll give it a go though. It's always getting the right way round, which is the problem, isn't it? So in we go. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, sorry for the rotten camera work and the lack of lights, but there you go. There we go. All back to 3 brake light loveliness. So there you go. It's as simple as that. Takes 5 minutes. It doesn't need anyone to help you. And we're all done. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.